क्या हम सलमान को आथिया और सूरज का मेंटोर कह सकते हैं?
Of course.
मेंथोल कह सकते हैं।
और जैसे आलिया आज भी करण से हर चीज़ पूछती हैं जब भी कोई फिल्म साइन करनी होती है, तो क्या आथिया अब सलमान से ही पूछेंगे अपने हर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए?
बिल्कुल।
बिल्कुल नहीं।
क्यों?
बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ की जो जर्नी है, इंशाल्लाह इनको कभी वो तकलीफ ही नहीं होगी कि मुझसे कुछ पूछना पड़े इनको। इसके बाद the fact that you've got to keep on coming back and asking, that means our film did not do what we wanted it to do for them. But the fact that it does well, and then after that the next one does well, and she's got so much of experience anyway from this film and from her parents, and we are all there. So she doesn't have to come and ask. She's there. He's got his own sensibility. He's already refused some 20 scripts. So then when they come to me, so I just look, I say, why yaar? अगर मैं होता तो मैं कर लेता। ऐसे नहीं सर, वो मेरे को doesn't, why do you say कि अच्छी लगी? तो ऐसे सर मैं क्या बोलूँ उनको? तो they know what they want, and when खुदा न खास्ता अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाए कि चांस ही नहीं होना नहीं चाहिए, बट अगर कहीं तकलीफ हो जाती है तो फिर हम सब हैं ना, मैं क्या, the whole industry is going to be with them.
सलमान, सुपर प्रोमो ऑफ हीरो और अमेजिंग वॉइस जो आपने गाना गाया है, तो क्या हैंगओवर के बाद हीरो में अब जो आपने गाना गाया है, तो हम क्या अब सलमान को सिर्फ अब एक एज अ सिंगर देखेंगे?
हैंगओवर के बाद नहीं, ये हैंगओवर से पहले का है।
अच्छा।
I have two questions for you. In an interview with Indian Express, Suraj said that after the Jia Khan controversy, the whole film industry would have shunned him, but you were the only one who showed faith in him. So what did you actually see in him that you showed the faith?
See, I've known Suraj since he was a little boy. He studied with Arpita, and he's been there around all throughout. So since a child, we've heard only good things about Suraj. From Arpita, from all his friends, I've known pretty much everyone. And we know that Suraj is like the most endearing, the nicest person there is ever. And the whole industry too believes that.
Hi Salman, my question first for Suraj, and that is, hi Suraj. Suraj, as far as this movie is concerned, and this is not the first time that this has been heard, it's been said that you're the very stoic kind of person, and Athia is the very effervescent kind of person. Is that going to stay, or are you going to change this? Because...
सर इंग्लिश में सर मतलब समझा दो हमको इसका।
गई लग गई लंका भैया।
स्टोइक।
I knew it.
मतलब सीरियस।
टॉइंग सुना था सर, स्टोइक पहली बार।
Yeah, so I'm the more quieter one from the both of us, and I think all boys are more quieter than the girls, and she is the more hyper and the bubblier one from both of us.
That's true.
Okay, Salman, my question for you is that you've done one movie with them. Over, done, dusted, 11th it'll come out. Would you cast them again if you had the
100%.
chance? Okay.
100%. In fact, we're already looking for scripts for them. And it does not matter the fate of the movie.
Suraj, for you, my question is like, this is your first movie, and in the very first movie you are working with your father. How was the experience?
Actually, shoot के 2 दिन पहले मेरे को पता चला कि my dad is in the film. I'm like, अरे यार फंस गया मैं यार किधर. Because at home I'm really quiet in front of him. Not because I'm scared of him, because I respect him a lot. We don't really talk a lot in front of him. But यहाँ पे मैंने सोचा कि अभी बाप के सामने डायलॉग बस ही बोलना है. But when we were on set, Dad never made me feel that he was my father. And I never felt that he was my father. Because he played his role so well, and he's so professional in what he does. All I can say is that it was an amazing feeling to work with him.
And one more thing, आपने अभी कहा कि डायलॉग बोलना है बाप के सामने. बाप के सामने आपको रोमांस करके कैसा लगा?
वो तो मेरा और अतिया के बीच में है, तब बाप नहीं था.
And Adya, for you, my question is: this movie is a remake of a super hit movie. तो ये experience, ये कहीं ना कहीं कुछ pressure था to meet that level of hero back then?
You know, honestly, when we were shooting a film, neither Salman sir or Nikhil sir made us feel that sense of pressure. We felt extremely comfortable in our environment. And while you're making a film, you don't feel like you're making a remake because everything is so fresh. There are new scenes, there are new ideas, the songs. So yeah, there was no sense of pressure while shooting. Now, of course, a film releasing in 5 days, so obviously we're nervous. There is pressure, but I'm also extremely excited.
You know, that generation, I know you must have not been born when Hero was released, so I don't even think you've seen Hero. When did you see it? Once you got to know this is Hero? TV पर अगर कभी आई हो तो बीच में से आपने पकड़ लिया. Same thing. When I had Hero in my mind, and we said we'll make Hero, and I saw Hero. At that point of time, Hero looked amazing. Today, because technology has changed, everything is different. You know, language has changed, so it looks different right now. So we've changed a lot in the movie. Changed the language, you changed the look, you know, setting, etc., etc. We've done. But the plot remains somewhere the same. We were scared about the music. We've got incredible music. Everyone's heard the music. Everyone loves the music. So we were only scared about the music, and we managed to get really nice music for this film. So I just, even when I go back to Hero, I just remember, you know, just 2 or 3 glimpses of Hero. One where Jackie Shroff is, the mantras are being parod, and he's, with that thread, he's making a rekha kind of thing. Then I remember that Ding Dong song. Then I remember the Mani Kirani fight. Then I remember one bike chase. And then I remember Pasha's character. And I remember some, vaguely I remember a climax ke andar, there's a flood or there's some nadis, you know, swelling up some river, and that's where he saves Meenakshi Seshadri. So they were all slight, you know, very chota memories of that. But I remember that at that point in time, I had liked the movie. And I thought, okay, this is something that we already have a script. Now we work on it. So that was my visuals of that. And I thought Jackie looked amazing in the movie. You know, Meenakshi danced really well. And I just thought that Suraj perhaps will be able to pull it off. Not really.
No?
Not really. No. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it for fun. Yeah. I can't sing to save my life. If you ask me to sing the same song right now, I will not be able to sing it at all. Every time I sing on TV also, you know, it doesn't sound the same. But when I'm in the studio, and then at that point of time, every line is sung to me in front of me, I can mimic that. I can sing it. No matter where the sur is, you know, I can, every line I can take it to that. But after 10 minutes, you ask me to go back to the same line, I will not know how to sing it. So for that, I need somebody to sing that line for me, and then I can sing it. So that is the way I sing. So instead of, you know, like we do shows and stuff like that, we're singing and then somebody else's voice is playing behind. They know it's Kumar Sanu, they know it's Sonu Nigam, they know it's so-and-so, they know it's that one. So might as well have your own voice there, you know. That's the reason why I started singing. So there's some association to that.
Sir, sir, I've heard some rumors about Radhe Ma joining Big Boss house. So
अरे यार जब अच्छे सवाल आ जाते तो आप खींच लेते हो माइक ये क्या है आपको ह्यूमर भी समझ में नहीं आता है खींचो उससे माइक
it's just for fun, come on.
कोई दूसरा सवाल पूछ लो ये सब
Could we stick to the movie only?
Yeah.
We're here for that.
Hi Salman, hi Suraj, hi Atiya. I'm from News Nation. My question is to Salman. अभी आपने दोनों की काफ़ी तारीफ कर दी है, अच्छे बोल दिए हैं. मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि दोनों में से आपको किसने सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान किया, किसने टैंट्रम्स थ्रो किए?
कबीर खान ने क्योंकि जब ये फिल्म की शूट कर रहे थे हीरो की, मैं कश्मीर में था, पहाड़ों पर, कट ऑफ. जब मैं वापस आया तो आई गॉट टू सी द मूवी. सो वो सवाल आपको निखिल अडवाणी से ही.
पर्सनली मैं जानना
एक्चुअली सही जवाब ये है कि परेशान तो हम लोगों ने किया है इनको, क्योंकि ये ऐसे डिफिकल्ट जगहों पर जाके शूट किया इन्होंने. जैसे कि हिमाचल गए थे आप, यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक के दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, इतने स्नो के अंदर इन्होंने शूट किया. एंड both of them have woken up at 5:30, 6 in the morning. They've worked all throughout the day. Nights को भी काम किया इन्होंने. So they've first film के लिए they've done a lot of work. I mean, what usually somebody would do in 3 films, they've done it in the first film.
For that, I guess all the best to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Since it is, Salman's first production venture, we have to ask Athiya and Suraj, how was it like having him as a producer? We always ask this question, to his co-stars, how was it like acting with him? But how was it like having him as a producer?
Having Salman sir as a producer has been amazing. He's extremely supportive, protective of both Suraj and I.
झूठ बोल रही है, मैंने कोई इंटरैक्ट नहीं किया. बोला ना, अच्छी बातें बोलती है.
Now you put me on the spot, but anyways, Salman sir is not the type to, like Suraj said, preach. He won't come and tell us, ye karo, wo karo, and all of that. But whenever he meets us, I think meeting him is an experience itself, because he's always so humble to people around him. He has this amazing quality of making everybody in the room feel special, no matter who you are. And I think that's the thing we actually pick up on while being with him and spending time with him.
Okay, last 2 questions now.
Yeah, hi, I'm Malika from Z Media. I wanted to ask you guys that it is a general mindset that we see कि लोगों को लगता है कि जो star kids होते हैं उनके लिए things comes easy to their way. But then again, जैसे कि सर ने कहा कि आप लोगों को काफ़ी auditions और काफ़ी कुछ आप लोगों के underwent हुआ. तो how was the struggle for you both?
The struggle has been there. Not every star kid, first of all, gets a platform. It is easier to get it because you get to meet so many people, but there has to be something, some talent, some hard work in you. Our struggle is very different because star kids, as you all say, come with some certain criticism and some certain hatred towards them. And we have to deal with all of that, and then we have to cope up to expectations of people because they want us to be as good as our parents and everything. Our parents have been working in the industry for about 20-25 years, so it's really tough to be a star kid.
Because their first film is going to be compared to their last film, so it's very, very difficult.
Okay, last question.
Yeah, Adhya, I wanted to ask you कि Sunil sir, he's a great actor and एक romantic actor भी थे और साथ ही action roles भी करते थे. उन्होंने कुछ tips दिए आपको? And same with you, Suraj. Dad से कोई tips मिले?
Acting और सब के बारे में नहीं, but obviously as a father, he'll always give me tips. But no, I think he knows that I have my own mind. I always will ask him for advice if I'm ever stuck. But he's very supportive, and as a father, obviously, he'll always give me advice.
He's never given me any advice. He prefers not to.
Because he doesn't need any advice.
Can I ask you one last question? You have been confirmed for the Big Boss next season. Earlier, you had left the...
Big Boss 9 is mine.
Awesome. Let's clap to that. Thank you so much.